Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel, Natural Essentials. My name is Rita. If you're a new subscriber, you're welcome. And if you're a returning subscriber, welcome. So in today's video, I'll be sharing with you a particular drink that will change your hair game forever. If you start taking this drink, you will notice that your hair fall will reduce drastically. Now, in the last video I did, how I made this hair, and in the process of making the hair, I had worn the hair for about 2 months and a week, and the amount of hair that I lost, very minimal, very small. You should go ahead to see it for yourself. And I shared in the video that I was going to be talking about what I did to ensure that the hair that I lost was not more than that. So this drink that I'm going to be talking about, I started taking it like a month before I made that hair, and I've been taking the drink, and it's a drink that has helped. I noticed that my hair fall has reduced, breakage has reduced, shedding has reduced drastically. All right, aside the fact that I didn't manipulate my hair, of course, you know, the hair has been in a protective style for about 2 months and a week. There has been no manipulation whatsoever, so that also contributed to it. But the drink is a game changer. So what does the drink entail? The drink is simply a tea made from 2 herbs. And what are those herbs? Guava leaves and lemongrass. So these 2 herbs are very potent when it comes to hair fall. Now I'll be talking about the properties of these 2 herbs. Number 1, the guava leaf. Guava leaf is high in vitamin C, which promotes collagen production and iron absorption. You would agree with me that iron is very important when it comes to hair growth. If one is iron deficient, the person's hair will not be growing. Iron is very crucial when it comes to hair growth. So if one is taking iron based food or iron foods that are rich in iron and is still not seeing hair growth, it's simply because the person is not probably absorbing the iron from the nutrients or from the food he or she is taking. So what this guava leaf does is that it helps in absorbing the iron that is being taken from foods. It promotes collagen production and also helps in iron absorption. That's the first benefits of guava leaves to hair. Number 2, it has antimicrobial properties that helps control scalp infections. This is when it is used topically on the scalp as a hair rinse. All right, so it helps condition the scalp and ensures that the scalp is well catered for. There is no infection whatsoever. As it is used as an hair rinse, there will be no scalp infection whatsoever. Then the third one is that it has anti-inflammatory effects that reduces hair fall. Once taken from within, you know, it helps reduce hair fall, and also once used as an hair rinse, it also helps to reduce hair fall because it contains anti-inflammatory effects that reduces hair fall. How about lemongrass tea? Lemongrass tea helps in reducing oxidative stress and inflammation. Once it is taken, you know, it helps reduce oxidative stress that promotes, you know, hair fall, that causes hair fall. This oxidative stress causes hair fall. What lemongrass tea does is that it helps to reduce that stress and inflammation too. Then the second thing is that it helps enhances blood flow to the scalp. All right, once blood is flowing to the scalp, you know, growth occurs because the hair follicles gets enough blood that would help it, you know, that will help it promote hair growth. So what lemongrass tea does from within is that it enhances blood flow to the scalp. It also has a citral content that helps strengthen the hair strands and reduces breakage and hair fall. All right, so this lemongrass tea contains a nutrient that helps strengthens the hair from within and reduces hair fall. It also has antimicrobial properties that control scalp infections and also reduces hair fall. So these two herbs and what I have been taking. I started taking it about a month, like I said, a month into the time that I made my hair, and I had been consistent with it, taking it for about 3 times in a week, sometimes maybe 2 times in a week, or whenever I remember, I just take it, and it has just been, you know, I've just been consistent with it, and it has really helped me. You should go ahead to see the video for yourself. Look at the amount of hair. Check out the amount of hair that I lost. It is very, very minimal, considering the fact that I left the hair I wore the hair for 9 weeks. So if you want to change the game in your hair care routine, if you want, because one thing about growing your hair long is that if you can find a way to reduce breakage, to reduce the rate at which you are losing hair and maintain it, you will grow your hair long within a stipulated time. Let me know if you will be trying out this tea in the comments below.
In another video, I'll be showing you how to prepare this tea from scratch. I'll be showing different ways to get the herbs and how to prepare it from scratch and how to preserve it and use it, you know, for maximum result. And the best time to take it, the frequency at which you need to take it.
Do well to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so that you can get notified when I upload new videos. That is it for this video. Thank you for watching. Bye.